Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Testing. Okay, testing. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? What's up? What's up? Hopefully, everything is going all right. Why is my Jesus? Why is it so yo, maybe it's too muffled. Wait. Yo, is this better? Is this better? Maybe. Yeah. Okay. This is much better, man. Okay. Welcome to another stream. This stream is gonna be. How can I place this? Wait. Let me actually think of something. No, I think I'm just gonna hold it like this, like I'm getting interviewed. Welcome everybody to another stream. As you can see, we hit 75 subscribers, and honestly, it is incredible. And I appreciate you all support and love and just all love. Feel me? But yeah, it's gonna be like another quantum quantum stream where I practice my formulas and shit while you watch me suffer. So I can see I have a blackboard right here, and yeah, let's just get on to it. Actually, I want to show you guys something. Jesus slave to the rhythm. Jesus slave to the rhythm. Okay, let me see if everything is working. I'm gonna send a test alert box. Probably it's working. Everything. Alright, anyway. Let me show you what I'm. Yeah, okay, sweet. The alert is working. Now I'm gonna show you guys this. Wait, let me. Slave to the rhythm. Nip. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Should be like this. Yeah, maybe this is better. Can you see this, everybody? Is this lagging? Oh my god, please. No, actually, why does it lag? I don't know why. Probably it's too good website, I guess. But basically, in this website, we have added. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait! Get the hell! Why did I didn't open you, bro? Oh my. Okay, so basically, we added yeah, we added games in our website, so you should check it out. Plenty games. We have like 6 mini games of chemistry, so you can practice mini games and practice studying whenever you want to go, wherever you are, and just quick studying. You feel me? Or just have fun. So yeah, more games is coming soon, and it's gonna be a great thing. So as you can see right here, like if I'm gonna take chemistry quiz, then you can see all categories and like 5 questions start quiz. What is the simplest alkane? That's probably methane, right? Yep, there we go. So it's just like this. And which period contains the highest yeah, okay. So basically, a lot of um, a lot of good stuff. Um, so yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, now let's get on to the business. Let me find. Did I close it down like an idiot? No, I hope. I hope the frick not. Can I pinch this on my finger? Maybe. No. Gotta hold it. Gotta hold it. Hey. Yep. So welcome to another stream where I'm gonna suffer in quantum mechanics, and hopefully you guys will enjoy me suffer. Okay, let's go. No more jibber jabbering. Let's get on with the business, everybody. Oh, that's a lot of noise. I have my chalk here. Can you even see? Let me actually check if you can. Oh my god, this is what you gonna do. Yeah, I guess like this, maybe. Yeah, okay, cool. Now let's get on with the business. So we have a wave function called AX. Okay, I pretty much butchered all of that. E minus x is squared. Okay, let's see. Bro. Yeah, so we have this basically. So to calculate the probability density, we have to get the norm of the thing equals the complex conjugated wave function times the wave function itself. Boom! Let's go. That's what we're talking about. And since the wave function is real, that means that the conjugated wave function equals what? The wave function itself. Okay, so basically this AE minus x2 doubled, which we can remove the parentheses, and then we're gonna say AE a squared E minus 2x. Yeah, and this tells us where the particle is likely to be found. So the maximum is at x equals 0, okay? So x equals 0 is the max. So it decreases as x increases, so the particle is most likely near the center. So let's imagine a particle trapped between 2 walls, okay? So let me erase this. Where is the SpongeBob? And oh my god, there isn't SpongeBob. No way. Do I have to erase it with my own fist? Really? It's not even one SpongeBob? Okay. I'm gonna turn white and doing this. Okay, so let's imagine a particle trapped between two walls. Okay, so A is bigger than L. Okay, cool. And the wave function is, if you want to load stupid word online, can't even function. I'm working with wave function, but this shit can't even function. Come on. Yeah. So the wave function is what 2 pi x L, right? Yeah. Exactly. So this is the lowest energy state, also called the ground state. Oh, I have a lot of burps, sorry. Wave function, what does it mean? The wave function, this one, describes the quantum state. So what is important that the wave function itself is not directly a probability. Instead, Born's interpretation, this one, this one, Born interpretation is possible density. Okay, never mind. Density, yeah. So we square the wave function. So we square this, okay? So I'm gonna, god damn it, there's not even a SpongeBob. Okay, so we're gonna, so we're gonna square all of this, boom. Like this. Cool. All right, we cool? Yeah, we're cool. Okay, so now we're gonna square this one. So we're gonna say 2L blah blah blah. 2 shit. Yeah, okay, so this one there, which gets 2L. So the sinus thing. Okay, my parenthesis was a bit ugly. So like this equals sinus what? Like this, right? Yeah. Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? What in the hell? Yo, what's up? Draw. What I'm doing? Yeah, good question. I'm doing quantum mechanics. I'm practicing for my oral exam that is in June, and the exam is basically a oral presentation of quantum mechanics. So you can pull like 14 questions, and one of them you pull and then you explain. So there's different topics. So this one is just the postulates. I'm just practicing the formulas to get in my stupid brain, you feel me? But yeah, welcome to the stream, man. Welcome. Okay, where was I? I was getting a little sidetracked. Yeah, okay, so this one. Oh shit. What? X equals L in squared. No. You better do your best. Yeah. Thank you, man. I thank you for the support. Hopefully I'm gonna pass this shit because I'm really tired of quantum mechanics. And yeah, we just gotta log in together. Okay, so we're gonna say left wall is 0. Okay, so left wall is 0. So let's put 0 in this. Okay, so we're gonna, instead of x, wait, yeah, 0 So it's gonna be 2L sine 2 0L, right? Yeah, so it's gonna be like shit 2L sine 2 like this, right? Yeah. Yeah, so this is 0, which means that this whole shit is basically 0. 0. So that basically means that the particle has 0 probability density at the wall, okay? So there's no chance you're gonna find a particle at 0, okay? That's pretty much impossible. Okay, at the right wall, we're gonna say X. Oh, sorry, L. The amount of L I've taken in this freaking course. um, so yeah. Is there even space? Yeah, probably. We're gonna roll. We're gonna roll. Okay, so L. So it's gonna be 2L sine pi L like this. Okay. I don't know what the freaking frack. Okay, so uh, okay, let me see here. So this goes out with this. So quantum mechanics is not a joke. I swear. If you wanted to like study this quantum mechanics, good freaking luck, because you might be better than me, or might be better than everyone if you understand quantum mechanics. Okay, so sinus. This is getting pretty much spacey, right? Maybe I should probably. I don't even have a SpongeBob in here. It's not even a sponge. So no. Yeah. Do I have to erase all this? Probably. God damn it! I have to. I have to use my hand. This is. Okay. What I mean by SpongeBob is basically a sponge to erase this shit because it's a chocolate. Look. Whatever, man. I'm gonna wash it anyway. Okay, so sinus equals 0, right? So L equals 0. So basically, ladies and gentlemen, there is no probability to find a particle in that place either. Okay? So yeah. Just waiting for my thing to refresh. So in the middle, if you want to check if any particle is in the middle, so that's 2L, right? 2L. L2, shit! Okay, L2. L2. So, the thing is gonna be L2 like this, right? And then we have the whole freaking equation. L2 sine squared pi 2. No, yeah, no, it's L2. L. Boom. Did I forget the squared? Probably. Yeah, so this is basically. Shit. Probably. Pi, right? Pi L, right? Pi L. Pi 2. Shit. Pi 2. Okay. I'm going now. Give it your give it your best the exam to achieve your dreams, bro. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you heavily, and I appreciate you being in the stream. And honestly, I wish you a great day or night or wherever you are. But welcome to the community, man. I appreciate you. But yeah, I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna ace this shit. Okay, so okay. Um, I'm sweating balls in here. Uh, this one. 2L. So this since it doesn't give 0 like the others did, that means that the probability density is maximum in the middle. So there's a chance you're gonna find a particle in this when x is L2. L2 sounds like a freaking PlayStation game. Okay. So I evaluate. Wave function must be normalized. So this is the normalization of a wave function. Ah, shit. The shit. dx1. So that means that the probability of finding the particle somewhere in the box must be 100%. Okay? Okay, so let's calculate this shit. So it's gonna be 2L sinus L dx equals 1. Two sine x L dx equals Lx. L2. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. L2. There's no such thing as an Lx. L2 times L2, right? Yeah, 2L, 2L, yeah? That's 1. And basically 1 is 1. So that means the wave function is correctly normalized. Great. Okay. Cool. There's no? God damn it. Okay. The next one is postulate 2. So every observable in quantum mechanics is represented by a linear Hermitian operator. So an example for a momentum operator is P minus I H bar the derivative. Ah. So let's apply the wave function, or sorry, the operator to the wave function of E, Y, A, X, right? Okay, good. Now we're gonna differentiate the freaking, yeah. D dx E kx equals what? E I kx. Now that we have differentiated the freaking equation or the function, sorry, we're gonna apply the operator. So it's gonna be like this: P wave function. Shit. P wave function. What? I H and then I K E I K E. And I'm gonna simplify that shit. So it's gonna be -1 times I equals 1. Uno. So this P operator. Oh shit. Yeah. It's gonna be K E it's gonna be like this. So the Hamilton operator equals the potential. No, the shit. Yeah. Okay. So T. This one. Okay. Oh my god, I forgot to. A plus V what potential equals the operator. And T this equals minus H2 UM the double derivative. So we're gonna look at a Schrödinger. That's H. Yeah, the Hamilton operator. This equals E. That's our Schrödinger equation. And we're gonna have a wave function. E what? Cx, right? Yeah. Cx. And now we're gonna put it in our thing. So it's gonna be 1 m the derivative, right, of Ecx equals minus h bar. Oh my god, that was ugly as hell. This is 2m C2E something something. Yeah, Cx. Okay. So therefore, that's why we can write the energy as E minus H2 and C second. Come on, son. And all of this minus H dx minus E equal, oh shit, the wave function equals 0, right? Yep. And then we're gonna divide. Yo, what's up, Ellen? What's up, man? Welcome to the stream, man. I appreciate you being here. Um, C2 plus 2ME equals my ass. No, wait. H bar 0. I feel like, yo, I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Thank you for the sub. I really appreciate that. That really means the world to me. I appreciate you, Alan. Welcome to the stream, man. It's a pleasure to have you here. Thank you, man. That's my ME bomb H bar 2. And then we can call the square root basically this. 2ME H K. So now we have a function that can be both negative and positive. So the function will, oh my god, did it just refresh on my ass? Oh my god, I am sweating. I think it's because I am really good at this now. Your bits are pretty good. I hope you get more sub. Keep it up, dude. Thank you. Yo, that is something. Oh my god, that really means a lot. Like, that really means a bunch. But thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you being in the community. There's gonna be more videos. I'm just getting started. Don't worry. Yeah, man. Thank you. That's honestly surreal. Thank you for your support, man. I appreciate you, man. But yeah, there's gonna be more videos and more live streams. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, it's gonna be great. But if you haven't joined the Discord server, I suggest you're gonna join that. Then I can like talk with you and just spend time with you with the community together. So welcome, man. Okay, I was getting a little sidetracked. Okay, so we have two equations. Oh, sorry, wave functions to be exact. We have C1 E kx plus no and C2E minus IKX. Yeah. So we can convert those functions to one linear wave function. So it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be C1 EIKX plus C2 EIKX. Come on, son. Minus shit. Shit minus. That's pretty much important. Yeah, so we're gonna use Euler and do this basically. IX cos plus I sine x. Okay, so if we're gonna run it all together, we're gonna have this equation. I'm gonna write it here because this one is pretty much important. Can you even see here? Yeah, probably. YOLO. Okay. A cosinus kx plus b sinus kx. That is our beautiful equation, or to be exact, wave function. So now we're gonna look at the particle between 0 and L. So let's start looking at x0. There's a lot going on, so I'm gonna erase this shit. Give me a moment. It's not even a SpongeBob anywhere. Ugh, I just have to use my hands. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one here because I need this. Okay, so we say x is 0, so this one is 0, not x. So it's gonna be cos what? K0, right? Yeah. 0 plus b sinus 0. So we know that cos. How long have you decided to keep up with the chat with this channel? Like when I began this whole thing, I began on, I think, last year in November month during my final exam in organic chemistry. Then I was like, oh, what if I can stream my my college experience, my college journey until I become a scientist, or just like that, something. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep going with it. I'm definitely not gonna give up like a puss. Like, I really want this to work out and to like teach people chemistry for free and more easy. And yeah, so everyone in the world can have access to chemistry. And if they're like interested in chemistry, they can just learn by my channel and stuff I do. So yeah, hopefully, basically, I hope I give motivation of many students out there who are struggling with chemistry. So I'm just showing that chemistry isn't that bad as you think it is. But this is bad. Like, no, I'm not a good quantum maniac. But I appreciate those who study quantum, but it's not me though. Hell no, I'm more like organic chemistry. But yeah, I appreciate you being here, man. Okay, so basically we know that cos 0 is 1. So we can just focus on B, this one. Let's focus on this instead of A. But I hope you're gonna stay along. Stay here as long as you can and just enjoy the process of this channel. But yeah, I'm just starting small and working my way on top calmly. Okay, so now we're gonna put L. So x equals L. Okay, I am going to go now. I sincerely hope you achieve your goals. I will watch your video surely sometime later for help. Thanks. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you so damn much. Like, take your time with my videos. No rush. But I appreciate you being here in my community, and let's just grow even more stronger and have world domination. Well, let's just grow together, man. I really appreciate you. And I hope you have a great day, man. Thank you for being in this chat and take care, man. Okay, so we're gonna put this L B sinus K, no, KL, right? Yeah, KL equals 0. So B is 0, then A and B 0, it's gonna be whole zeros. So we can write sinus k 0. This one looks like a but. This 0. And then we know that sinus pi gives 0. So we can write k, yeah, kl, and where n is 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, and not 0. So with this one, we can isolate k. So k is gonna be like this basically. So the whole function together forever it's gonna be like this. B sinus, it's gonna be like n pi, right? Yeah, n pi l, and oh shit, I forgot the x. Boom. And then you can find the energy with the general equation, which is ek something something. Okay. Can't even see here. Maybe I should wrote it like god damn it. Yeah, just write this over. Oh my god, there's gotta be a sponge anywhere. Wait, let me actually see if there's a freaking sponge. I hope not. I'm gonna dive into the bottom of the ocean to find a SpongeBob. Is that a sponge? Oh, sick. Okay. It's pretty much a blue sponge. It's not a yellow one like SpongeBob. This would do. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah. So found a sponge. That's good. Oh shit. Okay. Where was I? Okay. So E K equals K 2 H bar 2 boom 2 M. E bar what? 2M equals N something something pi 2. That's an ugly ass 2. Let me actually log in. Okay, I can't even draw. There we go. Oh, it's gonna be what? So we have H2 pi and in second, and then we have 2ml in second and in second, right? Yeah, second. Everything is second. Oh shit, I cracked the freaking chalk. Oh my god, okay. Yep. And we have different thing that goes out with each other. So it's gonna be E H bar. No, not bar this time. Second. H second? Isn't it H bar maybe? H bar and 2L. So N equals 1, 2, 3, etc., etc., etc. Okay, cool. So that is the eigenvalue to the energy we got. So now we're gonna normalize this shit. So we're gonna say um boom the x1. So now we're gonna take our wave function inside of this. Pause. So it's gonna be like this one. I want to take inside of my no. This sounds so wrong. I just want to put this in. Okay. Oh my god. X shit. Okay, so it's gonna be like. Oh, okay, so L0 bx sine the complex conjugated n pi l. Oh my god, it's a long one. Oh, okay, so one. Oh. What you gonna do? Sinus. Like this, probably, yeah. Dx equals 1. Okay, cool. So now we're gonna have a time independent Schrödinger equation. Is gonna be a freaking. Oh, okay, so minus what? 2m? Yeah, 2m. Just gotta remember bar, h bar 2, and then 2m. Okay, and then the derivative of ax bx in second plus vx. What else? What else? This one. Equals. I'm gonna write it like this. Equals this. Inside the box is v. Oh my god, I was. Oh, whip. Vx. No. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Vx0. Okay. So the wave function is gonna be no, the equation is gonna be 2m d dx second, and we're gonna say e blah blah blah. There we go. It's gonna be, yeah. So we're gonna take this thing up in that thing. So it's gonna look like this. It's d2 d something wave function. I feel like those who made these equations were just like tripping around. Like they sniffed a lot of Lfgggg acid or sulfuric acid and just, oh shit, I want to create this. Like, can you chill the hell out? Wave function. And then we can isolate K2 like 2me bomb h bar, and then the derivative. Can I write it here? Yeah, probably. d2 minus K2. Not minus. Let's start with K2. Oh shit, yeah, minus. There we go. Then we have the general solution. Let me refresh my stuff. Now I got a sponge pop. Now it's gonna be much easier to erase from existence. Isn't that what Doc Brown said in the Back to the Future? Erased from existence. Pretty creepy, actually. Okay. So we have the general solution. How did I get chalk here? I didn't even touch myself. Oh, that came out wrong. Anyway. There we go. Now let's find the wall. 0 and the wave function L 0. So we're gonna say the first boundary A minus 0 plus B cos 0, right? Yep. And it's gonna be this one is 0 plus 1, right? No, sorry. This one is B1 equals B. The B movie. So basically B is 0. What a surprise. I feel like everything is just 0. Is that the answer to everything? Okay, so if I just join the exam and just say, okay, this gives 0, I have 50% of chance to pass what I'm saying. That's yeah. But I'm still gonna do my absolute best. Like it's gonna, my life depends on this shit. Zero. Then we have sinus. And then KL. Which gives KL, yes, sir. So that means that the only specific of K is allowed, which leads to quantization. So now, ladies and gentlemen, now we're gonna do this. We're gonna normalize this whole bananarama. Okay. So we have a wave function. What? I messed up. So it's gonna be n, pi, and x, the whole family, and then O. So now we're gonna normalize this. Oh my god. I have the hiccups. One. Now I'm gonna put this in here. So L0, sinus n pi x 1. Shit, I forgot the dx. That's important. Every time you integrate something, you gotta put dx. Yeah, so this sinus dx equals L2. And a L2 equals what? L2, right? No, 1. Uno. Uno. This one. L2. And then we have a squared. I'm gonna put it in a square root. So the wave function we wanted is this. What you gonna do? What you gonna do, gangster? So n pi x l. This is the wave function I want. Okay. So this means that the wave function describes the probability distribution of the particle. Yes, sir. So now we're gonna find the energy. How the hell do we find the energy? Well, gonna read this from existence. Where's my chalk? It vanished. There we go. Right here. Okay, so K2. Just gonna write it here. K2 equals 2me what bar? Yeah. Bar. And then we're gonna insert K in this. So K is basically what that was n pi l. N pi l, and then we have the we have n squared l, and then it gives 2me bar of h, right? Yeah. Boom. So basically, I just inserted this thing in here. Why am I getting white here? I didn't even touch. Okay. Maybe the talk particles dropped on me. So E is gonna be what, like n n2 n2 pi h bar 2. So this whole 2m. Yes, sir, that's what we want. So this means that the energizers are quantized, meaning the particle can only have a specific discrete of energy values to be exact. So now, basically, that's. So now we're gonna take. Give me a sec. It's much better. Maybe I should go like this. What the hell, bro? Wait, let me. Look, this one is bad. Like, this one is bad. Who's bad? dx dx. Boom. And then we have v. Ah, shit. V0. So E is smaller than V0. So then the particle does not have enough classical energy to cross. So inside the barrier, where do I, okay. So moving terms. Plus b minus b0 pi. No, wave function. So it's gonna be. Oh my god. Yeah. So we're gonna define k is gonna be square root of 2m, basically this. This is our k. Um, um, the derivative of k wave function. So the solution is gonna be minus kx. Yes, sir. So the wave function is proportional to what? The function ekx minus ekx. Okay, yeah, that's basically. And then we have the tunneling equation, which is basically e to ka, right? Yeah, e to ka. Yep, minus. And then if you want to calculate any like particle, if it's tunneling, then you're gonna say like, let me actually erase this from existence. Okay, so basically we have k. So k, let me actually, yeah, okay, so we have k. which is 1.x1 what 10 of power of 10 minus 1, and we have a which is 1.1 x 10 minus, right? Yeah, meters. We have these two things. So now we're gonna use this equation, minus 2ka. Okay. So now we're gonna insert these things with the variables. It's gonna be minus 2 k is right here, 2x 10 m minus 1, and then we have a minus 10 m, like this. So basically this one right here gives 0, so e is just all alone, just like me, minus 2. And that gives us approximately, if I wanted to calculate this, 0.35, which is approximately 3.5% of a particle can tunnel in a barrier. So this is the particle, boom, then the tunneling, and then the barrier. So this is basically 5% of its tunneling inside. Yeah, okay, so that's basically much it. Let me actually wait. Let me clap my hands. Ugh. Oh God. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Did some artwork though. Yeah, just make my initial here. Aha. Ah. Oh, I can even see the chat here. I didn't know that. Oh well, now I know that. Yeah, my hair is not the best. It's never the best. Like so frizzy. It's gotta be way. There we go. Yeah. But now we're at 77 subscribers during this stream, so that was a pretty good process. Gained like 2 subscribers. And how long did I stream for? 1 hour already? That's quick. That was pretty much quick. But yeah, let me show you you guys my site again without it crashing and shit. Like, give me a break. Let me actually see this. Why does it lag? Is it that good? Okay, can you see this? Can you see this? Wait, let me. Oh my God. It's so good, it's lagging. Like, incredible. But yeah, I spent a lot of time planning and just developing this site. Hopefully you guys gonna enjoy it. It's one of my biggest projects ever. So this is just the beginning, and it's gonna be so much better. Like I'm gonna develop so much shit, like so much, and it's gonna be one of the best sites on the whole planet, like the best chemistry site ever. So let me show you what I got. So we have the home. So basically, if you haven't checked it out, I'm gonna like explain it. So we have the home, where is just the home basically. We have like a lot of languages to choose. So everyone is welcome here. Everyone is welcome. So yeah, we have so this is the home screen. So welcome to Xenium, chemistry content creator, streamer, driven by one goal, to make science click for everyone. Pretty cool. And then you have my OC, or whatever you want to call it, like how I draw myself. And yeah, and then a little stats there, and then we have some like hashtag notes, what I'm at, education, experiments. It's gonna be experiments, don't worry. And then a recent video. This one is pretty old. So yeah, a lot of stuff. And then we have a lot of categories also. We have videos, a lot of videos, and we have learn, and my PC is about to crash again. So yeah, learn chemistry. There's gonna be more in this, don't worry about it. It's just gonna be a concept. So yeah, so it's gonna cover everything from organic chemistry 1, 2, and general chemistry 1, 2, plus my videos also. So I'm gonna link it in those when you click on it. So that's pretty cool. About me, just a little biography of who the hell I am and why I'm here and what is my purpose in this world. Yeah, so basically I'm just a chemistry student that likes to study chemistry. That's pretty much it. And I want to spread my chemistry to all around the world so they can learn chemistry easy. Then we have probably merch. Something in the future, definitely I'm gonna be crafting, but it's here, so it's just gonna be there. So basically it's gonna stay invalid, or just it's gonna stay in this screen for a long time until we reach like what, 100K subscribers. But yeah, I'll think about that when we get there. Social media, all my social medias are here. So I have YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Discord, everything. And yeah, join my Discord server. We have pretty much the best community there is. We help each other out with homework if we don't understand a certain topic, or just talk about anything really. It doesn't have to be chemistry. You're welcome to talk about something else. But yeah, this is just my community spot to chill. Then we have simulations. This one is probably one of my favorites. Then we have, hopefully it doesn't lag. So we have like multiple simulations of chemistry. So we have molecular shapes of vesicle theory. So if you click on this, it's gonna load molecular shapes. And then it has PET interactive simulation. Shout out to them, pretty much the best. So then you have a model, and then you can just freely learn about Vesper and what the hell lone pairs are, and just get that 3D chemistry view of molecules. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then we have games. Now this is something new. Like I said in the start of the stream, we developed 6 games. For now, I'm definitely gonna implement more game modes. And yeah, so for example, if you want to take lightning round, like 60 seconds, answer as fast as you can, build streak to multiply your score, then we can start. And then you can also use the keyboard, and there's also pretty much good sound. So hydrogen's atomic number is 1, valence electron of carbon is 4, 17, shit. SN, atoms the same element, different mass. Isotopes. Alkali metals is into group 2. Nah, shit, 1. Boiling point water, 100 degrees. pH is acidic. Water's molecular shape is bent. H2 is water. What the hell? How many protons in oxygen? 8. Yeah. Symbol of mercury. Who created the periodic table? Mendeleev, the goat. Symbol for lead. What? Okay. Valence electrons of oxygen. There's 8. What? No, there's 6. Yeah. Tungsten. W. Symbol is alkane. Methane. Noble gases. How many valence? 8, 8. And then diameter pro of carbon. Yeah. So you get like this. Something fun like this. I got a B rank. You don't need to see that. But yeah, we're gonna develop a lot more games for you guys to like play around with, so you can study wherever you are or just on the go, and just be like updated with your brain with chemistry. Then we have stats. So basically, this is just for myself. I use this on my stream, as you can see, like my own live counter instead of using YouTube's, since I want to be like unique and probably like be different than everybody else. But yeah, 77 YouTube subscribers is incredible. Just want to say thank you guys so much for the support. And honestly, it's surreal, man. And we got 25 views. That's pretty impressive. I think that's the most views I got on the stream. That's surreal, man. So yeah, we just got a game growing, and it's awesome, honestly. But yeah, if you've seen the live stream was laggy as hell. Don't watch that stream. It's just a lag disaster. Basically, I did myself a little project for myself. Don't worry. It's a little project I wanted to do for a long time, and I really want to run a marathon. Like I really want to increase my stamina and actually run a marathon and make myself proud, because I haven't done anything like this before, and my limit, the most I ran is like 3 miles. Only 3 miles. Like that's it. But yeah, I started my marathon training slowly, and one of my idea is to stream my running, my runs, basically my runs when I run outside while like streaming, talking to you guys, and just to like grow together. That will be pretty cool. And I made a separate playlist for that, so it doesn't get mixed with my chemistry. But it's just something, a little project I wanted to do. So now I have the chance. Now I got the platform to do. So I might give it a shot. And hopefully we're gonna end up with the medal right here on a stream. That would be so cool. Like a medal, like a marathon medal, and then like flowers and shit, but like a medal, and just the feeling of you did that. Like, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna give it a shot, and it's gonna be a small project. But I'm definitely gonna keep going with posting chemistry tutorials and just chemistry related stuff, because this is basically the like the niche I'm working with. But this running stuff is just for myself. So also want to be myself, you know. But I appreciate you guys regardless, and I appreciate you guys for all the support. Almost, I think my last short is almost at 1,000 views. So that's pretty good process. Also have some creatine. But I think next stream is gonna be an analytic chemistry practice thing, or it's gonna be my first ever run stream, because I really want to like run in the weekends, since I have time there. I don't have time in the general weeks like Monday, Tuesday, all that, since I have university and all that shit. Um, but yeah, my schedule right now is basically on Monday, basically I'm thinking about running like 3 miles. 3 miles on Monday. Tuesday I'm working out full body. So it's basically bodybuilding. Wednesday I have rest day. Thursday I have full body again. Friday I'm thinking either to run on Friday or Saturday because I want to run 2 times. So either I'm gonna run Friday or Saturday. And then on the weekends I can do some calisthenic stuff. Like I'm also practicing some muscle ups too. So yeah, life is good. And hopefully we're gonna pass quantum mechanics together. Yeah. Life could be a dream. Do I have anything to add? Not entirely. What a hello, Xenium. Okay, so it just gotta like, oh shit. Just gotta bump my server. Bump. Boop. There we go. But yeah, this website thing is one of my biggest projects. So hopefully you guys will support that and show love to it and just show honestly love, a lot of love. You feel me? Let me actually see here. Currently checking something. Wait. Just checking something. A moment. Oops. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep grinding. Definitely gonna keep grinding my shit. Just grind and grind. All the videos, stream, grind and grind and grind, and just make it all work out. And then hopefully I'm gonna complete a marathon too. Please, that's one of my dreams. I'm gonna make it happen. I don't care. Hopefully it doesn't lag out when I stream IRL. Like when I run, then it's just lag out in the end. That would suck me pretty much. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna end this stream. There's nothing more. I literally did all I needed to practice a little bit of the formulas. Now I'm just chilling with you guys on the chat. Yeah, I showed you my website I'm developing, so stay tuned for that. A lot more is coming, don't worry. I have a lot more to develop on this, more games, like I said, but um yeah, 26 views on this stream. That's pretty impressive. Like that's a lot of growth. And yeah. But yeah, I'll see you in the next stream. It's been a pleasure. Thank you for joining the chat. Thank you for writing. I really appreciate you all. Just like writing in the chat, it makes me my day so much better. Just reading out what you guys are saying and just answering. But yeah, just gonna go now and stay safe, everyone, and eat well and stay hydrated. I'll see you in the next stream. How the hell do I end this?